Hi, I'm Sebastian. I'm going to talk about Wilson Yankees, the problem solution topic. So, I think you'll agree that Wilson Yankees has been a great solution for the problem of transportation here from and to the university. Before Wilson Yankees, there exists like a web page. It was a thesis created by an industrial engineer called Taviano. And this tried to make what Wilson Yankees do nowadays. So you have to go to the page and like go into your mail of Uniandes, and you select your route, and you select the people that with you can go to your host. But this was too difficult to use because the people have to go to the page, and Facebook is like a page that everyone can use easy, they can find in Wilson Yankees. So that's why Wilson Yankees has been a better solution to the problem of transportation. For the people that doesn't know what is Wilson Yankees, Wilson Yankees is a web page in Facebook where you can find people who live or go to the university at different times and different hours, and you can select that I want to go with you, and you arrange like a place and an hour, and you go to your home and you pay some money, and that's basically how it works. This is beneficial for both parts. For example, it's almost the same cost as you going up on public transportation rather than going on Wilson Yankees. It's for Bogota is 2,000 pesos, depending on where are you going. Sometimes it could be less time than going on public transportation. In my case, for example, I live in Chile, and from Chile it's almost the same time going on public transportation or going on Wilson Yankees. But for example, people that live near Mariana, that take a regular bus, the bus stops like every block, and you have to wait, and maybe Wilson Yankees can be a better solution and more faster. And also comfort and safety, that is one of the most things that people are accomplished, because well, in the millennium you always go like this, or you can be rope, so that's why it could be safer and comfortable in Wilson Yankees. The problem that I'm going to talk about is the excessive demand of people that need transportation. So many times you're looking, for example, you live in the center, you're looking for people, and always it's full, and you know what to do because you have to go to your class, to your home, or going to the university, and you will find the time you need and the people that you need. So you ain't going on public transportation. There's an alternatives. One of them is Zero. I don't know if you know Zero. It's a program that started the university to promote the transportation in bikes. So the university will lend you the bikes, and you can transport and return them to university the next day. So if you live near here, you can take a bike and go to your house and then came back. Another alternative is in the same page Wilson Yankees. People usually share a cab. So you write like I'm going to Unicentro, and I like to share a cab with people. And you arrange and you meet in some place, and you go in a cab. But this could be a lot expensive because paying a cab for people, I don't know, Unicentro, 170, it could be a lot expensive. The solution that I am planning is trying to arrange buses with roads to different parts for the university. So, I mean, if we are here, we can arrange from different parts to Bogota, even Cota, Chia, many people live there, and establish that routes for different, in different hours and in the most demanded hours that people need. And this could be arranged in a web page or an app, an easy app that you can look and find what bus works for you and for your travel. This is currently used in some universities, but not the same. For example, Sabana External, Distritali, and Rosario use public transportations because they are far from a place where you can look for public transportation. So the thing is that they transport people to near estaciones, tram stations, and you can then find. But the idea here is to not just transport people to public transportations, is to use this transport to carry people to their homes. This could be, some people may think this could be a problem, the ticket cost, because maybe it could be a lot expensive, but if many people can use this, and many people are using this constantly, this could pay the bus, and this could be much expensive than with Semianes. It could also help the traffic problem in Bogota, making like a tiny reduction of the traffic, and this could be also attractive to people that have cars because they may prefer transporting in buses that and stop worrying about the parking or the gas that they use in their cars. It's like to be against. That's it.